So today's video, I am going to be showing me planting this corn seed that I saved from our corn crop last year. All I did was I took the cobs right off and I just laid them on our table in the sun. Actually, it's not cleared off, but just right here in the sun and the wind in the fall. No rain got on them. If it was going to rain, I brought them into my greenhouse. And then I just left them out all winter in this greenhouse, sitting right here. And then when I went to check them in the spring here, when things started drying out, they looked pretty good to me. I mean, they actually looked even better than the seed you get. I don't know if these ones are all dried out, or they're a little, you can see some of them aren't quite shriveled, but maybe that's better. I'm thinking this is what most corn seed looks like, these little ones. I think I did have one that, what is it? This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, I took 6. And one of them is like this. You can see it's got a little bit of mold in it. I don't know if these are darker. I don't know if these would germinate or not. Maybe, but I'm not even going to try. So, only bad thing about having this camera strapped to my body is that my nose is right over top of the speaker, so all you hear is me breathing. So, all I did to plant these up, I bought these little cardboard. Yeah, they're really in there. Come on. These little cardboard little things. These ones are from the dollar store. They're probably not as good as some of the ones you can get, but this is kind of an experiment. So I just had these. So put here a little bit of dirt in there. I'm going to do 1 corn and 1 cucumber, because I already actually planted these up yesterday. But I thought, oh, if I'm going to start doing a gardening channel, I might as well do my corn that I saved. And we don't even know if these will grow. Actually, I should be doing a test of a regular bought seed. But, oops, I should know in a week or so if these are going to come up. Where's my camera pointed? There. So I'm just going to move these. Oh shoot. I think this is the corn one. I hope so. And this should be the cucumber one. Oh yeah. Because that little thing's in there. These little pepper plants my mother-in-law gave me as seedlings. I'm just trying to keep them alive because I do not have good luck with seedlings in the house. See if you can see. There's one that came up and dried right off, and I didn't even have them in the sun. They were just kind of away from the window. But so far so good. They're still alive and growing. Let me get this out of here because I don't want to get it wet. If that works, those seeds should be able to be saved and used anytime. And I forgot to bring my little watering can, so oh, this is such an unprofessional video. But if you know, if watching in my other videos, you know this is very amateur. I just give them a little bit of a water. And see, I forgot to get the seed out of the corn. So you just wiggle one out. There's one. See how nice they look compared to the ones you buy in the store? Oops. I'm going to just poke a little hole in there your seed in and then cover it up. If you need to, add a little bit of water. I'm currently going to do that with my little can in the house. And I'm just going to add one more cucumber seed. These are long Englishes. Probably they're going in the garden, but I'd really like to try some in the greenhouse. But every year I try them. They just are piddly little things that kind of mold up on me. And see, this one will definitely need a little bit more water. There. And that's it. So if these grow, I will post a progressive picture on these of them coming up, them being put in the garden or wherever we put them. I have no idea about cross-pollinating of these. When you take a seed off of a plant that's been modified. These are originally Canadian Early Sweet, I believe they're called. So I don't know if this seed is going to be Canadian Early Sweet or if it's going to be a product of one of the parents that created that brand of seed. Hopefully, first step, just get them sprouted and we will see what happens. Hey Boo Boo, what are you doing in here? Okay, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe if you enjoy my videos, and hopefully I will see you at a later date. Oh, the other kiddos are out there. Bye bye for now.